Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Welcome to Cast Iron Wednesday. It's a new week and I'm doing, gonna be doing pigs in a blanket. The monthly challenge is dogs and hot dogs and burgers. I think I said grilling last week. I don't know what I was thinking. Anyway, I did make the meatloaf sandwich. Technically not a burger, but it was still on a burger bun. So whatever. Let's get cooking then. Okay, so what I've got here is I've got these are smoked sausage. I need a knife. They're all hung together. Keep forgetting that. I've actually been so they're Applewood smoked sausage with bacon. I've been actually chopping these up in my eggs in the morning. I do these and bacon. So I'm using something I've already got on hand because I could have gone and just bought hot dogs, but since I've got these, I'll use them. Alright, so I've got a corn on the cob here, which I'm gonna turn on once they go in the oven. And I got just the two sausages. I'm only going to do two. I'm going to do the dough right now. I'm going to be doing yogurt biscuits, so I'm not going to be going over all of what I'm going to make them because I've already done videos on the yogurt biscuits. Because, you know, why not use it? Use something that I know is good. I'm going to cook these even though they're going in the oven because they're only going to be in the oven for about 18 minutes. And I just want to make sure they're hot all the way through. Plus, cast iron's going to add a little color. And then I'll brown them up about medium heat. Not too hot, and I'll put them in the dough. Alrighty, we're in good shape. These hit about 125 degrees. Now they're fully cooked. I just want to make sure they're going to be hot clear through, which is why I fried them. Plus you can see the nice color they've got. Got my biscuit dough here. I don't want to waste any of it. I want to get my dough out. All I'm going to do is I'll cut this in half, or as half as I can. You guys can see that alright. My big ass shoulder's not in the way. Okay. The butter plus the butter I have to cut in there plus the yogurt makes for some sticky ass dough. There we go. Get those flattened out. Sorry, I had to reach in front of the camera. So, get these on there. Alright, I just pause to clean my hands. I'm gonna do with these, I'm gonna put some cheddar cheese in these. I think they'd be good with cheddar. Just for you, my bro, Mark Kratz. Alright, I was worried that my arms were in the way, so I switched over to the other camera. So. Oh wow, things just fell apart. Wow, what is going on with the dough integrity? Good grief. Alright, these are going to look like crap. Must have been a sausage, must have... Wow. Well, hopefully they'll taste better than they look. Hang on. Well, darn it all. The moisture of the dog must have been a factor. Good grief. He's not cooperating today. Alright. Let's get him in the oven. So my corn was done a little sooner than I thought. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I just threw on some Trader Joe's pepper, a little salt, some butter, and I'll eat this off camera. Alright, timer just went off. Let's take a look. Let's kill the stupid timer, because otherwise it'll just keep beeping at you until you do something with it. Well, once everything kind of melted, they don't look half, well, they don't look a quarter bad. I'm really not happy with the total end product, but I guess I've made worse. So let's see. Just because I know. Get these onto a plate. Don't want to miss that cheesy goodness. They smell really good. Get that little crunchy piece of cheese. Alright, the corn was delicious, by the way. Chewed it off camera while I'm watching a John Wick clip. And of course I got some mustard. Just going with French's. A little bit of dipping. So let's just put a little swirl right on top. There we go. And then I can add as I go. Let's give this guy a taste. I know they're going to be good because the biscuits are delicious. So. Alrighty. Pigs in a torn up blanket. Oh. And hot too. Whew. I'll tell you what, it's quite tasty. Alright, well, I'm gonna eat. I'll catch you guys in a few. Alrighty, it's actually been about a couple hours now. I've just been vegging in front of the computer, so needless to say, clean plate. They tasted a lot better than they looked. I mean, not that they looked horrible. I think setting the hot sausage on there and then walking away, because I was getting my other camera and stuff to change the camera angle. I think that's where I screwed up. I think that was a big contributor. You know, it happens. I may try to skin tomorrow. Probably gonna make this for dinner tomorrow, so I might show a couple clips in, just if they turn out looking a little bit better initially. So anyway, I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to check the links for Cast Iron Wednesday, the playlist, and also Shovel Hate's channel. I always throw that in there too. And then last week's video will be in there as well. And as always, have a great day. Enjoy the rest of your week. We'll catch you next one.